この芸人好きめ
集中力がアップすんだよ。
集中力可愛くさあ集中力ガシンガシンガシン授業続けませんか飲まなきゃ
牛乳に相談だ。
Babe, can you get that? It's your brother.
No. He's gonna eat all of my Doritos.
Hey dude, brought Doritos. Hope that's cool.
Mi amor, I love.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco County Police Department. An unidentified suspect has been involved in a mass kidnapping across the San Francisco Bay Area. The vehicle's license plate that the suspect is currently using is not available at this time. All residents are advised to lock their doors and windows. The police have also to believe that 2 children were missing and might be involved in a suspected homicide. Please stay tuned to media outlets for further information.
Hey man, do you hear about what happened to the kids in San Francisco?
Yeah, man. It's fucking scary, bro.
Yeah. Oh god, I don't know what could happen next. Like, maybe it'll be me or somebody else. I don't know. I'm just scared, man. Like, I don't know who did this.
Have you even seen the news came out? They just saw like 5 toys just running around the streets.
5 toys?
Yeah, man.
That is weird. Like, I mean, ain't that weird?
Yeah, that's so freaking weird.
Jeez, like, how is it possible to them to be alive?
Like, I just don't get it. Like, what is going on with this world, dude?
I honestly don't know. Like, our childhood characters on the movies are now doing this or something? I don't know.
I mean, is it possible that a few childhood toys are just starting to cause havoc now?
Gee, I don't know. Like, I'm hearing more and more some words. Like, what the hell? What was that noise?
What's going on?
Oh, shit. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna go get my gun.
Yo, what's going on, bro? Talk to me.
Hey! Get away! What? Oh, shit! Shit!
Dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, man. I hope my boy Daniel's okay, bruh.
This is an NBC News special report.
Breaking news today. We have a report that the leader of the Akatsuki killer specialists has been found missing. Alleged call audio was found within the vice president's office. We have new information available to the 2 children named Andy and Bonnie that went missing a week prior. They have been found deceased at a forest near the San Francisco Bay Area. Andy was found dead from a gunshot wound, including Bonnie, who also died from a stabbing wound. The police had also indicated that an alleged suspect named Woody, who has been seen with bloodshot eyes, glowing red from his pupils, and blood seeping out of his eyes. It has been speculated that the weapon that was owned by Andy's mother, Jennifer Davis. The gun was also found near the Tri-County area. The vehicle has been identified as a 2026 Ford Transit, with a stolen license plate, and found with 6 different weapons. The suspect was seen carrying an AR-15 style rifle, along with 3 MAC-15s, 2 semi-automatic handguns, Micro Draco, Smith & Wesson M&P 15-222. And that's all the reports we have got today. This is Mo Lester, signing off.
We're here on the street doing online car insurance quotes from the General. So what do you think?
The General's online site is really quick and easy to use.
My payments were cheaper. I didn't even have to give my personal information to get a quote.
Find out if the General can save you money on car insurance. Our rates, down payment, and monthly payments are low, and the General's customer satisfaction rating is 97%.
Get an anonymous online quote now. For a great low rate you can get online, go to the General and save some time.
Takis Fuego, the original taco chip with furious flavor. Takis.
Face the
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Bureau of Investigation. The California Bureau of Investigation has declared an Amber Alert for a 6-year-old female named Molly Davis. Molly Davis's description of 3 feet and 4 inches tall, and 80 pounds. The child was last seen wearing a light yellow shirt, blue jeans, red sandals, and a pink headband wrapped around her head, and has blonde hair. She was last observed at 8:40 p.m. in the area of 234 Elm Street in Emeryville, California. Anyone with information is asked to call the Sonoma County Sheriff's Office at 707-565-2650 or dial 911.
Yo, Daniel, what's going on, bro? Daniel, what's going on?
Those motherfuckers almost got me.
Who got you?
Them fuck-ass boys.
Those toys?
Yeah. Oh.
Did you try to shoot them down?
I tried. But I only managed to get one of them, which is the fuck-ass potato head.
Oh, shit. Wait.
What
Who the fuck are you? Get away from me! They're at the fucking house! Get away! Get away!
Oh my God. No. No. I'm gonna kill every single one of you bitches. You're gonna regret doing that.
Immediate evacuation now in effect for San Francisco County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office. Leave the area now. You are in a life-threatening situation. A mass shooting is currently taking place across East and West San Francisco. It has been confirmed that the suspects mentioned in the previous Amber Alert has been identified as the individuals from the Toy Story franchise. Along with the Toy Story 5 movie, there has been a smart device named Lilliput, which they have used as malware to corrupt data and internal storage if a child uses a tablet. However, there is shots fired at the city of San Francisco currently. All residents are advised to evacuate immediately. Grab essential supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Do not wait. Evacuate now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Mass devastation and casualties have been reported across the west coast of the United States. It has been speculated that the Toy Story characters are planning another attack in the Carolinas, including New England, Mid-Atlantic, and other regions in the United States. As a result, in the West Coast, 599 people were killed, and 4,023 others are injured. This has been the deadliest terrorist attack in American history since 1995. The President of the United States has stated that martial law will now be in effect for the continental United States. Until then, residents must seek a fallout shelter. Grab essential supplies, such as water, food, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Once you enter your shelter, do not leave until the President has deemed safe to leave. Please stay tuned to your radio for further information about this situation.
One hot and ready pizza, $5.
Get a hot and ready pepperoni pizza for $5 or a deep dish rate only at Little Caesars.
So the Pizza Hut $10 tastemaker has any 3 toppings you want?
It's the best delivery deal around. Can't put a price on that.
Actually, you can. It's only $10.
Actually, it's only $10. The large 3-topping $10 tastemaker.
No, Pizza the Hut.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for Northeast Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, West Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, East Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, until 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Methuen, or 10 miles southeast of Pelham, moving east at 36 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Quincy, Lawrence, Methuen, Boston, Braintree, Natick, Somerville, Malden, Brookline, and Chelsea. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Hello? Nepal?
Yeah, I'm here. What's up?
Oh my god! For a second, I thought we'd be kidnapped or killed.
Nah, man. They got me. They got me right to the head.
Oh my god. Thank God you're okay.
Yeah, man. But bro, I heard they bombed your place, dude.
Yeah. Good thing I'm alive. I was at my bunker.
Oh, shit. So where you at right now?
Shit, I'm out of San Francisco. I'm in Sacramento.
Well, I relocated to my safe house in Laconia.
Laconia?
Yep, that's in New Hampshire, my friend.
Alright. We can't just, God, I can't take it anymore. We need to stop this once and for all.
Alright, should we call the president to ask, North Korea if they can send us nuclear weapons?
I don't know.
I mean,
maybe, yeah.
It's the only it's the only option to, kill these motherfuckers.
Fuck it, just do it. And we need to meet up.
Alright, fuck it, let's go.
Alright, I'll meet you there. Open the door!
Alright, I'm coming.
Hey, man.
What's up, bro?
Okay, no time to ask. Let's get in.
Okay.
So, what is the plan?
We gotta call the president.
Shit.
But how are we gonna do that? You cannot reach us there.
No, we have his line. Well, do we have to go to DC?
Well, I don't know if that's our option. Or maybe we should use the telephone to call North Korea or some shit.
Did you forget?
Yeah, I know. No shit, Sherlock. I forgot that we cannot call in North Korea.
What are we supposed to do? We can't just let these crazy people, or where those things are, killing us.
We cannot let them terrorize the civilization, bro.
God. They bombed my palace? My home?
And a tornado struck my home?
Dude. Oh my god.
Like, what were you supposed to do at this point?
I think we need to go to DC.
Yeah, since it's our only option.
If it means by stopping all this and getting informed with the president, then fuck it, let's do it.
Alright, let's go. Sure that we'll have to meet him up eventually.
Yeah. Hope you know this is a risky situation.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, these solar panels.
Yeah, these are solar panels, my friend.
I'm not paying for those. Whoa.
But yeah, this is what's currently happening in my area.
God. I don't know your area was like this. What the fuck?
Yeah, bro, like, look at these tornadoes.
3 tornadoes! That didn't mention in the alert. Oh. God damn, where we are now, tornado hunters?
Yeah.
I'm insane.
And don't even hurt yourself.
I won't.
I slowed down because you have the worst car that just accelerates very slow.
Yeah, I know. Wait, Rams? What?
I did not even take a 360, but go.
Whoa!
Oh,
shit.
God damn it! Can you wait for me? I just crashed my car.
Sure, hold on. Whoa, whoa. God.
Okay, I'm right here. Oh! Sorry, man.
That's okay. What? Hey, and they say they installed something in my car. I wonder what this does. Whoa! Okay.
Wait, I wonder, can my car do that too?
I don't know, check.
Hold on. Holy shit! Oh fuck, I'm sorry.
You're paying for that.
I'm not paying for that. You are.
You see, whatever. I wonder if my car has that too. What? Holy shit!
I guess we'll use nitro. Well, wait, meet me up. I'm stuck.
My car has the worst brakes. Oh my god. Oh god, that was insane driving.
Yeah, we literally just saw 3 tornadoes, bro.
Not to mention, both our cars have those nitros.
Yeah, that's crazy. But what should we do now since we're over here?
I guess God, I don't know. I guess finish the trip, like go to DC.
Yeah, you know what? Let's do it.
Alright.
We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is NBC. We will continue to serve the San Francisco Bay Area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune into stations that provide news and information for your local area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The United States has been subjected to a nuclear attack. Repeat, the United States has been subjected to a nuclear attack. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected 10 nuclear missiles originating from North Korea. 5 of these missiles have been intercepted, but all attempts to intercept the remaining missiles have failed. The following cities will be bombed within the next 2 hours: Boston, Massachusetts; San Francisco, California; Columbia, South Carolina; Chicago, Illinois; and Columbus, Ohio. Anyone within a 500-mile radius of these cities are asked to seek a fallout shelter as soon as possible. Nuclear fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks, and prolonged exposure to fallout will cause certain death. If a nearby emergency bunker has been designated for U.S. military personnel, otherwise, get there immediately. Do not use your telephone, as they should be kept open for emergencies only. You should tune into your radio that serves your area for more information about this event. The President of the United States will not be speaking on the air shortly due to the situation. As we can say our prayers, we will be signing off until the event concludes. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The danger to civilians is over. The nuclear fallout is stopped, including the Toy Story characters, who were also killed during the process. Residents are advised to leave their shelters. We would also like to thank the Akatsuki Killer Specialist President and the Vice President for their commitment to save lives in the American society. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming may now resume.
It's a setup,